Solve the system of equations graphically. So I'm going to graph both of these equations on the same coordinate system. Start with x equals 3. And I want to recall that whenever you want to graph x equals a number or a constant, the graph is going to be a vertical line through the constant. So in this case, we have x equals 3. So I'll find 3 on the x-axis. So that's 1 point. When x is 3, y is 0. Now I need a vertical line through 3. If we were doing this just on paper and pencil, I could just draw that vertical line. But using MyMathLab, I need to pick another point that would be on that vertical line. Well, that other point would be 3, and I can use any y value at all, because on this vertical line, the x is 3, y is 2, x is 3, y is 4, x is 3, y is 6. So it can be 3 and any other y value. So let's just take x is 3, y is 2. So if you plot those 2 points, what you'll get is a vertical line that goes through x is 3. Now, to graph that second equation, y is equal to negative x minus 4. I'm going to use the slope y-intercept method. So the number that stands by itself, or the constant, that's our y-intercept. As an actual point, it'd be when x is 0, y is negative 4. The coefficient, or the number factor by the x, is our slope. If there is no number there, assume it's a 1. All right, so our slope is abbreviated by the letter m. Slope is negative 1. Now, I want to express that negative 1 as a fraction. So I could say that m equals negative 1 over 1. That's the same as negative 1. Or I could say that m equals 1 over negative 1. That still would give us a negative 1 when we simplified it. So if I use the first slope, the numerator tells me up or down. Since it's negative, it'll be down 1 unit. And the denominator tells me right or left. Since the denominator is positive, I'm going to go right 1 unit. If I use this form of the slope, well, the numerator tells me up or down. Well, since it's positive, I'll go up. The denominator tells us left or right. Since it's negative, it would be left. So to plot that, I'll do the y-intercept first. Then from there, follow the instructions given by the slope. So if I use this one, from here I'm going down 1 to the right 1. Okay? Now, using MyMathLab, that's enough. MyMathLab will draw the line for us. But paper, pencil, I need a little bit more accuracy. So from here, I'll go down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1. So if I draw a line through this point, you can see where the 2 lines intersect or cross. So if I read that point, going over, that's x is 3, and y is negative 7.